Hey guys, today we're gonna be walking by. This is the new car that I got. I think I zoomed in. Nope. This is the new car that I got, that my dad got, that maybe I'm gonna be driving in the future. It's the Mustang Shelby. It's the GT, but it's not the GT 500. Let's pop the trunk. Let's pop the hood. Wait a minute. Got the keys right here. Oh, sorry. That was the trunk. Look. If you're wondering if this, sorry guys. If you're wondering if this car has bass, that's your answer. Right there. There's Kenwood. Let's just shut this. Yep. And then let's go inside and pop the trunk. The hood. Yep. Yeah, guys. There we go. This is the inside. It has that screen. Has a cop detector. It's not for racing or anything. It's just for cruising. You know? Yeah. So goes. Yeah, here it is. The Mustang. Wait, guys. Wait. I just put the keys in my pocket so I won't lose them and I won't get in trouble, guys. Wait a minute. Wait, let me try to find this. Where do I open this? Cause I got in it before. Guys, I'm gonna show you where you could open it from. Okay, right there. Guys. There we go.